All right. Well, good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Bridget. We're a little late. I did announce that we were going to be on earlier, and my bad. Thanks for being flexible. So I thought we would chat a little bit about the Access Consciousness Foundation because it's a class um, that creates so much change, but a lot of people back away from it. And, number one excuse is usually money and then time for the second excuse. And yeah, I get that. I totally get that. And for some reason, I keep choosing it year after year. I attend Global Foundation and I facilitate several uh, foundations locally wherever I'm traveling, and it changes me and everybody every single time. So I'm just curious, like you've taken the foundation several times. What made you choose it to begin with? Because it is an investment.
Oh my goodness. The first time why I chose it, well, it was Global Foundations and it was right after Global Bars and it was just perfect. I mean, it really, oh my God, it totally shifted me. I had a huge physical reaction, as a matter of fact. I was just thinking about that. It really, really shook me up from the inside out. And the other, I've taken it like four other times, and it's always just completely rocked my world. And the reason I chose it this time, because I'm doing your class again next week. I think every one of us has a pain point, something that we just work on, and this foundations, the space, the four, is it 4 or 5 days? Is it 4 days now?
It's actually 3.5.
3.5 days. Okay. So
Mhm.
having that length of time is a big consideration for me. But it's always been a place where I can come and it's like a retreat. It's a retreat for me. It's a place where I can walk away from the job I have that's extremely boring and extremely this world, statistics and reports and stuff. And I get a chance to walk away from that and be with a group of people that are choosing other. And it's just so powerful to be in that space with other people. And I had this thought this morning. Somebody was sharing with me on my Facebook thing that they had done a sound bath the last weekend and how wonderful it was. And I start to think, that's what foundation is for me. It's a day sound bath
A three
for
and a
my
half
mind.
day sound bath. I love that. It's true. Like sound bath is great
Mhm, mhm,
and it's relaxing and it's 1 hour, which is nice. And
mhm.
how often do we do these? And like, the thing is, can we sustain the change? And like, that's one of the things. I even went to an expo a few weeks ago and I had some pain behind one of my knees from travel and whatever I was doing. And this lady next to me was like, "Oh, I can clear pain." And I'm like, "All right, what the heck? I'll try it out." And she like does her intention and she puts her hands on you and it sort of lightened it up a little bit. But if we're not getting to the root of what's creating it, it's going to come back. And it did. Like within an hour, it was just as intense as it always was. So it's not that somebody can do something to you. You have to like get
Mhm.
in there and start clearing out the points of views, the stories, the energies that are creating, well, that you are using to create the crap that's going on in your life. And there's really not much out there that gives you those tools for you to actually work on yourself. And like doing it in a group together,
Oh,
you get the added benefit of everybody else's choices that they're making.
absolutely. Everyone in a group has places that they have clarity in that other people don't, and
Mhm.
other places that they have their crap in there where they can't seem to move out of it or whatever. It keeps coming back, or body pain, or money, or relationships that aren't harmonious. You can't find your purpose in life. You're not in joy or happiness, those kinds of things. So, but everyone in a group has their little place where they're really clear. And it just, bodies pick that stuff up. You
Mhm.
can just sit in a group and you know that someone there has cleared the energy that you can't seem to clear because of your negative beliefs. So the group thing is powerful,
And
super.
that's such a great point. And it's even works the other way around where you can see somebody struggling with something and you're
Yeah.
like, that's not yours. What are you doing? Like you have another choice. And when you can see that in somebody else, then maybe you can also apply that to yourself of like, why am I making this thing so so important that
Exactly.
it's stopping me?
Exactly. That's exactly what happens. And when you go through that manual, Julie, because I've been to several of yours, to all that and the situations and things,
Oops,
wait,
it's
where,
cutting out. I'm not sure if it's on my end or your end. You said when
oh,
you go through the manual and then it cut out. Can you
oh,
repeat?
yeah, yeah. So I was just thinking about the time when you go through that manual, we need repetition. We need it. There is no, it's different levels and layers. And every time I hear it, I've heard it before, but it's just different. It's nuanced, different. And
Yeah.
I think, oh yeah, that's it. That. So
Yeah.
it is like repetition, but it's so beautiful. It's really needed, and for us, for humans, humanoids, I'm sorry, but
Yeah. And like, even though you get a manual, how often do
oh,
you go through it? The thing is, it's intense to
mhm,
go through it on your own. And so you might be able to read a section or two, and then you just, there's other things going on that will grab your attention and you get sucked back into life.
mhm,
So setting aside 3.5
yeah,
days to really dive in to clear out all this stuff. And then you emerge with a total different space that throughout that 3.5 days, you're building this muscle to maintain that space. And so afterwards, there's just a different possibility for creating your future as that and greater instead of less. I don't know if I'm freezing or you're freezing. Did we lose you? Bridget? Bridget's frozen. So anyway, there's a prerequisite to taking the foundation class, and that is access bars. And there is an access bars class. Hi, welcome back. There's an access bars class this Sunday, February 23rd. So um, it's just an amazing way to start the foundation, to get the experience of shifting your body, your mind, your being into this more expansive and more receptive space. And then we do also practice the bars in foundation as well as learn a couple other energetic body processes that help shift all this stuff. it's amazing how much stuff is out there that, you know, do this, do that, let go of this. It's hard to let go, obviously. And people like maybe do it on the surface, but this stuff actually changes underneath. Oh, you're muted. I can't hear you yet. I think you're still muted.
Oh, yeah,
There.
no, you were just saying about that's one of the benefits is having bars as as a prerequisite, and then you can practice and have that have people run your bars too, because it just, I mean, it can't get any better than that. Having the foundations, and then as you're laying there, you can hear you got the bars going on. It's wonderful. A great place for all that.
Yeah.
Not to mention, it's in San Francisco. Great place. It's warm now. We're getting some warm spring weather. Not to mention, Julie's house is beautiful. Not to mention that we have great snacks there. So that's fun. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
And I guess the question to ask is, why now and why would you choose this? And like, are
oh,
you to the point where you would really like to change some stuff in your life?
mhm. Well, I think for me right now, the political climate is so anxiety producing. And for me, I really need reminders of what I can change, which is me and my world, and trying and going into a space of creating my world where I want to go, what my future is, and letting go of things that really I can't change at this moment. But that to me is why now, for now.
Mm, yeah. Yeah. And at any time in our lives, we can get caught up in all the stuff that's going on externally,
Mhm.
but the internal stuff is my compass. And when things get sticky and like I'm feeling unfulfilled, I know that I need to make some different choices. And a lot of times we don't know what else is possible to
Yeah.
choose. We're so stuck in the habitual rut and we just keep going around and around in the same thing and it doesn't change.
Yes.
So this is an opportunity to really change those habits in a way that can be permanent. The thing is that it's up to you to choose.
Hmm.
We're the creators of our lives, and we can keep creating the same stuff, or we can create something different.
Yep, so true. So true. I've been in foundations before. I was just thinking about the one of the ones we had at your house, and I had an awareness just pop in of something I had never even considered before. And then the next thing, my next thought was, oh no, 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 that's way too big. But anyway, I'm just saying and then to keep being encouraged to go forward with things that are very possible, but I didn't see them at first. So that's the benefit of being in a group like that and
Yeah.
hearing.
Yeah. You know what? My first foundation back in 2003 or four, something like that. Um, I had been going to all these clarity nights, so I thought I knew all the tools and I had changed all the stuff.
Yeah.
I had the perfection thing down. And I remember people bringing up stuff and I was like, "Oh my God, I had put so many walls up to the things that I didn't want to deal with, but they were bringing it up and so it was clearing
Uh,
me too." And
yeah.
it was like, "Oh my God." It was
Uh-huh.
it was it was like bonus.
Bonus. Yeah,
Bonus.
that's awesome. So
Yeah.
true. So true.
And
Yeah.
in that melting and in letting go of those walls, it's like more of the real you gets to emerge, not the you that you tried to define yourself as or tried to fit yourself into a box or like project. This is me. I've got this perfect life. You know, that's what we grew up learning, how to do the right thing and be perfect. Or maybe that wasn't you. That was definitely from my parents. Create the perfect image. Um, but it's just like it's smoke and mirrors. It's not really being
Mhm.
and fulfilling. And that is so much more. It's just so much nicer to
Oh,
be
oh,
you.
no comparison. None. Whole different world.
Mhm.
Yeah, no, I'm really excited, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you for having it be available in San Francisco. Oh, it's wonderful.
Mm.
No plane ticket for me required.
Not this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, there is a great benefit to traveling and doing these classes if anybody out there does not live in the area. I've traveled to many, many classes over the decades, and you get so much more awareness of what's really true for you when you're in a different place than your hometown. Um, it's remarkable. So you are welcome to travel here. I can recommend places to stay, and there's beautiful California organic produce. So we'll have a nice time. Nurturing for your body.
Yep. Looking forward to it, Julie. Thank you.
Cool. Thank you. And if anybody has questions, feel free to reach out. Um, there, there's financing possibilities if that's an issue, but it's like, you know, what are we here for? Isn't it time to
Mhm.
dig into your life, invest in yourself, and start creating the future you want?
There you go. Lovely. Great ending there. It's great.
All right,
All
come, don't come.
right.
We'd love to have you.
Thank you.
Bye.